go. We're getting there. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Not even just one. It's coming down the whole side. Wow.
We went to Waipio Valley, the valley on the Big Island of Hawaii. A lot like this.
Wow.
Look, they look like doves. White ones.
Yeah, it's seabirds, huh? The ones here.
What are they called?
Like seagulls.
I think they're white doves.
There's
I
more.
think somebody just got married.
Gotta watch the rocks going up. No swimming. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's worth the trip right here.
Wow. Wow. All the way up high. Beautiful. There's another one over there.
Pam,
Yeah?
when you're done with your video,
Uh-huh.